I'm Chris Rachel Oslin with the Austin Post. We're out here at ATI interviewing more exciting local startups, and today we are talking to Firefly.
My name is Steve Barsick-Amstel, and Firefly is a technology company wrapped around everything that you could do with LED lighting.
Okay.
So from the phosphor that goes into the LED, I'll get a little geek on you real quick, to the way the lamp gets heat out of the lamp itself. It's a neat idea. We've got a lot of 27 patents we're working right now.
Was your company founded in response to the changes in incandescent bulb laws?
We really founded the company based on the fact that LEDs had suddenly become bright enough to be used for general lighting.
Okay.
And we knew that there was this technology adoption curve that would happen, and also a technology curve that would happen. LEDs would get brighter and more efficient and work better over time, and the adoption curve would accelerate. So we were very interested to see what we could come up with early on, and we came up with a lot of technology very early.
So you say you have 27 patents. Can you give us an idea what type of technologies those are patents for?
LEDs are used in a number of different applications, so when you get this close to it, you forget what we're talking about. We're talking about light bulbs that screw into cans and tracks.
Okay.
In your home and in restaurants and hotels and government buildings like this building. There's a number of installations here. Across Austin, some of our great supporters are Kirby Lane Cafe, Mason Arnold over there, and all those folks. The Austonian, the Stephen F. Austin Hotel, all these great places, commercial places, have our lighting in.
So what makes your lighting different from something people could buy at a store right now? Because I know there are LED bulbs you can just screw into a socket.
Our bulbs are different because they're really designed for rebuildability. So you can take this lamp, and at the end of its useful life, you can replace the driver circuit and the LEDs and have the product work again. So we're not throwing away the most environmentally intensive part. This is also interesting to people with buildings and facilities managers and all, because they can change the beam angle from a flood to a very narrow spot.
With the same bulb?
With the same bulb, without having to buy a new bulb.
That's neat.
And it was neat for them because LEDs are, at initial purchase price expensive, relatively speaking. You can get a $1 or $2 light bulb, or you can get a $20 or $30 or $40 LED bulb. Now, when you look at life cycle cost, LEDs are significantly cheaper, but they still couldn't bite off buying 3 or 4 light bulbs for one socket just to change beam angle. We were able to cure that for them.
Nice. So what inspired you guys to create a light bulb company when there's already a lot of light bulb manufacturers out there?
Well, there's always a better way to do something. And the neat thing we found...
What were other people doing wrong?
They were doing a lot wrong at that point in time.
Uh-huh.
We were seeing our competitors having failure rates up in the 80 and 90% range.
Failure rates of individual bulbs?
Yeah.
Really?
If you buy a light bulb, you expect it to last 5, 6, 7, 10 years. You put it in, it lasts 3 months.
Yeah.
You'd be a little upset. Yeah.
I've done that constantly with getting the compact fluorescent bulbs.
So we saw that there was a real opportunity to put our design and our engineering background to work to build a light bulb that actually functioned and would last that long. Because if it didn't, then there would be a high attrition, and we saw a lot of companies fail. In fact, there's some that are still getting large amounts of investment, and still their light bulbs are selling like crazy.
Huh.
I think we've only gotten one back ever.
Really?
Yeah, one.
That's impressive.
Yeah, definitely one.
Are your bulbs a little bit more environmentally friendly than other LED bulbs?
They're a lot more environmentally friendly. Since you can take it apart and rebuild it, then you never have to throw most of it away.
What part do you actually have to throw away with rebuilding it?
There's a little tiny circuit board that converts your wall power to the power to run the LEDs, and then the LED board. So out of a light bulb, there's like a little piece about this big and a little piece about that big that you would send back for recycling or just send to a local electronics recycler.
And that's it?
That's it.
Nice. Can people change colors with them as well as change the beam angle?
Yes. You can buy a different color set of LEDs, and it'll be a different color. It is an operation that really probably should be done by someone who is say a facilities engineer at a hotel or something like that. We haven't gotten the click and twist kind of product on the market for regular consumers yet.
Yes.
But one day.
Okay.